How to fix your Facebook auto reply not working. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Meta Business Suite application. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and make sure that you have selected the correct page. You want to go to your inbox section, and then you can simply go ahead and tap on more or inbox settings right over here. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for automated responses, and then you can simply go ahead and select or change the reply status. So make sure that instant reply is turned on. Away messages can also be on if you want to. You can also turn on frequently asked. Once you've done instant reply on, you want to simply go ahead and enter the message you want to send immediately, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, just go to business.facebook.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.